Hello. In this video, I will be showing you how to make your YouTube videos that you use in your lesson plans more accessible to your learners. We're going to use the closed captions as well as transcript feature of YouTube. Now, one caveat, you must be using the Chrome browser. Let's take a look at this great video by PBS, all about germs, one of my favorites. First, let's take a look at it without the closed captions.
You know, to really figure out how germs get around.
I love this video. Let's now turn on the closed captions. You can toggle them on and off right here with the CC. Let's turn them on. As you can see, they're in English. If you would prefer to change them to Spanish, you will go to Settings, Subtitles, and you can do Auto Translate and come down here in the drop-down menu to Spanish. So let's turn these on in Spanish for right now. Now let's take a look at what our PBS video appears like.
Maybe I should become a germ.
Oh, she says he's gonna be a germ.
Here I go, gonna shrink on down.
This is just a wonderful part of YouTube videos' artificial intelligence features. Right now, let's take the settings. Let's revert back to actually English. And we see that the English closed captions are now on. Now let's go to the next great tip, and that is turning on the transcript. What you will do is go down to the ellipse, which is next to the like, dislike, and share buttons. You'll click on this little ellipse and go to Open Transcript. Now we see the transcript. You can even copy this transcript and put it in a different document to help your learners have better accessibility. Let's take a look and see what this looks like now.
I was minding my own business, living in Robert's nose. I'm just a teeny tiny germ. Here's how my story goes. I'm always ready to travel, though my trips are never planned. It was time to hit the road.
Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. Journey on as you prepare and do your online learning with your students. Thank you.